And good morning, everyone. Let me just fix this really quick. And okay na. Um, good morning. PSEi, let me just open up PSEi. Ang ganda ng PSEi ng ano ngayon. Closing yesterday, PSEi closed at 8365.29 and it's a solid bar. Yan po yung breakout na hinihintay natin, and when it did the breakout, tuloy-tuloy naman ang arangkada in the afternoon. Yesterday, we have hopefully nakapagbodega kayo sa mga picks natin. BPI, MBT, Metrobank went up, rocketed up. Ang daming nag-rocket up yesterday. There are some that we missed, but we were able to catch most of them. So congratulations sa mga nakahuli nung mga lumilipad. Right, so we're gonna be talking more about PSEi today, a few about the international market since nakaposisyon na tayo. Marami rin maganda sa international market. If you have any requests, if you have any comments, post it in the comments dito sa YouTube channel natin, on the comment box so that mabasa po natin. If you have any charting requests, PSEi or international market, please post it here. Right, so let's see. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Makian. Joe Licales, good morning, sir. Lloyd and Laika, good morning. Then Joanna Pearl, good morning. Mel Dizon, good morning. Faye Avelino, good morning. Ronald Ray Tome. Yan. Let me just lower the volume really quick. Alright, good morning. Insights po kay Sok, Fen, and Ali. Right, SOC. Let's check out the chart, right? Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Lumipad ng blue chips, Metrobank. Insights for VLL. Si VLL lumipad na rin. Si SOC, nasa support pa rin. Yan, the blue chips were the good ones yesterday. Ngayon, yung mga medyo penny stocks, hindi gaano gumalaw. Alright? So, si SOC, may support tayo dito. This is a good support. You can test out the support should you really want to. Let's say if meron tayong factor kung aakyat ba siya. First quarter earnings were not that good, so I can't really recommend it. Kahit na first quarter earnings fundamentally speaking, yung latest, ito yung recency bias. There's always a recency bias, especially sa stocks. Yung pinaka-latest na performance, it usually affects the stock. I cannot recommend this, though there's a support right there. Technically speaking, we have a support right there. You can test it out should you really want to, though I don't really recommend it. I don't play with fundamentally good stocks. There are stocks na medyo nagne-negative, but this negative kay SOC, this is quite big for me. Laki na negative nila, 129% sa first quarter. That's a big number. Though maganda naman yung annual earnings sila last year, but they started the year very bad. So that's not good for me. Si Fen naman, ganda ng climb ni Fen yesterday. Right, very good. Congrats sa mga nakahuli kay Fen dito sa baba. The bounce yesterday was a very good sign. Pullback niya konti lang, tapos nag-green ka agad. That would have been a good signal. Problema ko kay Fen is we're nearing the resistance and it's already very high up there. Marami pa pong stocks na andun sa baba. Mas maganda po yun ang paglaruan natin. Huwag po yung mga stocks na andito nasa taas. Julius Galero, good morning, sir. Insights naman po. Ay, meron pa kay Ali. Right. Si Annie is in one of my picks for today, Julius. Si Ali, all-time high. Best, if gusto nyo po humabol dyan, which I don't recommend, breakout strategy for Ali. Okay? Breakout strategy for Ali should you really wanna get in. Pero maganda naman, very bullish naman. Though wala akong makitang significant volume for this level. So, I really can't recommend that up there. Julius, Ani, madadaanan natin yan mamaya. Si DNL, there it is. Sabi ko sa inyo, magbudega lang ng budega. We have a clear resistance right here. I can't recommend it anymore today. On the dips, pag nag-dip ulit yan at bumalik dyan sa support, bilhin nyo po. Right, sayang naman po si DNL. That's a very solid support area for DNL. Kita nyo po yan. That's a support area of DNL. Dapat binibili natin ito dito at these levels. Right, umaakit na si DNL ngayon. I cannot recommend it anymore. Lakas ng galaw niya yesterday. Sumama sa blue chips. IRC, si IRC naman. LR is in one of my picks for today. IRC, let's see if it will confirm a support anytime soon. Pwede natin testingin si IRC at this level, at this support right here. Okay, IRC. LR, si LR, mamaya daanan natin si LR. Nasa lista ko yan eh. SMLT? What's SMLT? SMPH or not really? Salamat po. Sorry. SMLT niya, salamat po pala yun. SLMT dapat. Right. Hops, sir, picks niyo po sa international market. Thanks. Picks ko sa international market. Actually, hindi ako nakapag-aral kung anong magandang pick sa international market. Should you have any, to be honest with you, should you have any thing you can find, let me know. So we can test out the support. So I mean the charts of your picks for the international market. Nag-relax ako sa international market since nakaposisyon na lahat ng mga ng mga what do you call this ng buying power ko. Hindi ko I'm gonna be only moving 75% of my port. So we have already positioned that 75%. Hindi ko muna dadagdagan ang galaw. Manong Japs, good morning. Sir Annie po, insights po, salamat po. Marami sa top 5 na rason bakit mahirap pa rin OFW. Happy to learn more. Uy, salamat po na marami. Yung sa episode natin last Saturday, top 5 reasons bakit nahirap pa rin OFW. I'll check it out. It's in my Facebook page, yung video natin last Saturday. This Saturday, hindi ako makagawa ng episode since I'm gonna be in Davao. Maybe I'm gonna be recording a few clips of that to give you some of the lessons I'll be sharing during the morning session, right? Sa mga andito sa sa mga wala sa Davao, di ba? Speaking of the seminar, Davao po, I'll be there. Sana po mag-register kayo. We have only a few seats left. We have until Friday to reserve it. Siguro walk-in na lang yung iba, but we can't assure you seats if ever mag-walk-in po kasi kayo. So, register now. July 20, again, Saturday, sa Seda Hotel in Davao. So, that's sponsored by eToro. Morning session is gonna be financial literacy, financial freedom 101, how to attain financial freedom. And the afternoon session is the trading masterclass, which is my trading seminar. I'm gonna be sharing it to you, and because of eToro, we're able to share it at a very affordable rate po. For those who can't attend that, if you wanna join my seminar, meron po ako mga replays ng mga videos ko on my previous seminars. Send me a message so I can give you the details on how to gain access to it. Right. So, Kathleen Racing, siguro next episode natin pagbalik ko na from Davao. Right, next Saturday yon. Kathleen Racing, morning. LHC, very beautiful MA20 bounce. We just talked about MA20, and there it is, MA20 bounce, and bumalik din kaagad. Problema ko may resistance tayo dito, baka mag-resistance si LHC. Masyadong mataas na si LHC for me. We've been recommending LHC at these levels right here. Baka gumawa ito ng cup and saucer, cup and handle na pattern. I can't recommend it because it's very near resistance. Siguro breakout na lang. Should you really want to enter pa, breakout. But I recommend pullbacks na lang pag ganitong mga nasa taas na. Trabahador, good morning Sir Lloyd. ATN, please. Si ATN, ang ganda rin ng position ni ATN, stabilizing. I'm waiting for further stabilization for ATN before I really want to recommend it. A solid green would be, a clearer green would be a good sign for ATN for entry. But yeah, you can be aggressive for ATN since bullish naman ang market. Pag nag-green yan today, it's already a buy. Right? Hindi ko lang linagay sa recommendations today since wala pa tayong green talaga na sure. Okay? Lawrence Basilio, good morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Emerald, good morning Sir Lloyd. Lumipad na ang blue chips. MBT ha, insights for VLL and PHA. Right. Blue chips, MBT. Ilang araw ko kayong kinulit dyan. Pasukin nyo na yan. There it is, lumipad na. Also BPI, kinukulit ko po kayo. Kung hindi nyo po napasok ito, ay nako, ano bang nangyayari sa technicals natin, diba? If hindi nyo pinasok din, if you're trading, why not? This is surefire win. Kahit na maliitan, pero sure naman ang win. Dapat meron kayong ganun ng mga trades, right? Blue chip trading, guys. Ayun, nag-kick na si bullish market. Look at the volume yesterday. Massive volume for BPI. Sayang if hindi kayo nakapasok dyan. Halos pilitin ko na kayo para pumasok dyan. Halos araw-araw kayo nire-recommend. VLL. VLL lumipad na rin. Good job sa mga nagbodega sa support. We cannot recommend that anymore. No position there anymore. Wait for the pullback and bounce before you really want to get in VLL. PHA. Si PHA naman. Right, si PHA. These are the dips starting to form a support. A green will be a good signal. Meron tayong parang descending triangle dito. For those conservative ones, breakout from this line would be the best entry point from that. May question dito, Mike 16. Good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Ano po nangyayari kay ISM? May bad news po ba? Kasi ibang stocks tumataas na, naiwan si ISM. Ganyan po yan talaga. Right? Si BPI, habang umaakit sila Ali, nasa baba sila BPI sa Metrobank. Diba? It happens in stocks. You cannot really, what do you call this? Expect for stocks to go up right away. Hindi mo magsasabay-sabay yung mga yan. Right? The question is, what is your purpose in ISM? Is it for short term? Kasi pag short term ka for ISM, yes, you will be concerned on the short term movements. This one right here. This is just short term movement. This is just even 1 week of chart, diba? Or if you're for long term, kung long term ka, if it goes down, definitely matutuwa ka dapat because you should be buying it more. The purpose of a long-term investor is to get as many stocks as you can. Huwag po kayo makontento sa hawak nyo lang currently because the moment na makontento kayo sa hawak nyo lang currently, when you're gonna be affected by the movement of the stock. If you're in it for long-term, gusto nyo pa po bumaba yan because you know the business will succeed. And if it goes further down, just keep buying it. Diba? Warren Buffett po yan. Warren Buffett na strategy for long-term investments. No nag-stock market crash, he wasn't phased. He just even bought more and more and more. And then when the market recovered, yan, ang yaman niya na. Define what your purpose is. If your purpose is for long-term, then ang goal nyo po is to get as many chips as you can. Hindi nyo po goal is to earn in a few days pag long-term po kayo. So, relax lang. And bodega some more if ever it goes further down. Chief Yuan, good morning Sir Lloyd and Laika. Insights po kay MRSGI, ABA, PHA, and Vita. Thank you. Have a nice day. Nga pala, for Mike, if ever ganito na you're concerned with the short-term movements, I will strongly recommend you go for short-term lang muna. ISM, I can't recommend it for short-term right now. Wala tayong fundamentals and everything. And the price action is bumababa pa siya. Okay? Wala pa investors. Doon pa sa mga fundamentally good ang mga investors ngayon. So, we can't do anything about that. Okay? If ever you're concerned with the short-term movements, lipat mo sa mas maganda na stock kung gusto mong short-term. Ang dami po dyan ngayon. Sino pa ba nasa baba? Sila DNL, nasa baba pa. And a few picks of mine. Jollibee, nasa baba pa. Habang hindi pa lumilipad, ipasok mo lang kay Jollibee if ganon. Alright, Chief Yuan, good morning Sir Lloyd and Laika. Insights po kay MRSGI, ABA, PHA, and Vita. MRSGI, recommended that a few days ago. And there it is, lumipad na po. Nag-breakout sa MRSGI. You can use a breakout strategy. Get in near this support as much as you can for MRSGI. Congratulations sa mga nagbodega kay MRSGI habang nasa baba pa siya. Starting to go up already. Medyo mataas na po. I cannot recommend it up there. Wait for it to go back and go back down to the support. If ever hindi pa tayo bigyan ng pullback, edi wag na nating pilitin. Okay? Dapat dito sa baba natin kasi pinasok yan. Hindi ngayon lumilipad na siya. That's for MRSGI. ABA. Right, si ABA, MA20 bounce perfectly. Kumakit pa rin. Get in near this MA20 as much as you can for ABA. Problema ko kay ABA, guys, nasa taas na po yan. Dami pong stocks na nasa baba. Doon po tayo maglaro. Huwag po dito sa mga nasa taas. Please, 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 please. Right? PHA, eto si PHA, yes, nasa baba pa sa PHA. Breakout lang for PHA. Best entry point for PHA is breakout from this short-term downtrend. And Vita, Si Vita naman, very good. It's starting to do a pullback. Anytime soon, it will give us a stabilization and a support. That will be the best entry point for Vita. Okay? Abang lang ng bounce kay Vita. Nerdpec, good morning. Sir, Lotto, please. Yung mga tumaya kay Lotto, maraming ipit. And pababa pa si Lotto. But the volume is starting to pick up. So this is good for Lotto. Go though, Lotto at a higher perspective. Medyo downturn pa si Lotto, guys. I cannot recommend it yet, though we have a support right here. Hirap sabihin. I can't recommend it. Too aggressive for me if ever sabihin ko po yan. Though we have a divergence right here. Actually, pwede na to bodegahin si Lotto eh. Right? Stabilization. I'd say let us confirm this support furthermore, a bit more, before I can say it's a buy already. Pag nag-engulfing yan and then pull back bounce, I'd say yes, pwede. But for now, cannot recommend Lotto yet. Too aggressive and medyo shaky yung fundamentals ni Lotto for me. Kaya ayoko po siya sa ngayon. Mark Lizaso, good morning sir. Ano insights nyo kay ABMD at BB? Thanks. ABMD. Right. A biomed. Alright. So I'm not really sure of the fundamentals of this company yet, though. Ganda na first quarter earnings nila. Right. Maganda rin performance last year. Right. That's good. This has been doing well. Let's check out the RSI. Uy, ganda ng divergence. Right. Starting to gain momentum already. This is good. Right. Si ABMD. Support. Right. Just get in the support, test it out, and let's see how will it go the next coming days. I think it's doing well. RSI starting to go up. This is divergence right here, starting to gain momentum on this bottom area. Good find, ABMD. Alright. This is from Mark Lizaso. Good job for ABMD. Pwede mo pong pasukin yan sa support. Si BB naman, si BlackBerry. Ang problema ko kay BlackBerry, walang gaanong developments right now eh. Right, 25% for last year. That's good. We have good divergence right here. Maganda ito, right? Let's check out the support furthermore, right? Kasi pula siya yesterday. Any green soon should be a good entry point for BlackBerry. This is a double bottom entry. This is a very good find for BlackBerry. Okay? Maganda naman yung first quarter earnings niya. Earnings niya last year did go up pala. This is very good. Oh, okay. Didn't know that BlackBerry is doing well last year. Okay, so yeah, I'd say yes, this is a good entry point. Good job, Mark Lizaso. These are very good finds. Right, Francis Fahilan, good morning, sir. I will recommend you go to this website, guys. So mga gustong investing.com. Right, shout out to June. He reiterated this website. I remembered about this. You can look for BB, BlackBerry, and then makita nyo po dito ang para itong hub for information. Makita nyo po ang analysis niya, chart financials, ito yung financial summary, income statement. Makikita nyo po dito ang fundamentals. If you know, research more the fundamentals of a company. Investing.com. Check it out. Right? Makikita nyo po yung analyst dyan. Let's also check out our analysts in eToro. Actually, this is let's see what is the findings of everything is a buy. Even the lowest target is higher than the current price. This is buy, right? Hold lang sinasabi ng karamihan. So, yeah, not a strong buy. But even the low estimate is a positive, right? So this is very good. Analyst target price is 8.94, just 24%. Right, reiterated. It's a hold. I'd say yeah. This should be a buy. Neutral sentiments. Okay po ito. Right, nag-add po ang Prime Cap, Skytop Capital Management. Ito. Yeah, all systems are go for BB. I'd say yes. Pag nag-green yan, pwede nyo pasukin sa ito. Very good find. Good job, Mark Lizazo. Francis Failan, good morning. Tommy Escobedo, good morning, Coach Lloyd. Insights niyo po kay LHC. Good po ba for long-term investing? It's handled by Ayala. So, I'd say yes, but I really can't say for long term talaga, just ride the trend, right? Then just get out. If kaya nyo naman po what do you call this, bantayan ang market, or just ride the trend. I cannot recommend it for long term. Kasi at a certain point overpriced po yan. And I don't know from that point if they can recover or not. But the management is very good. I'd say yes, it's fundamentally good. Pero recommendation ko lang is really ride the trend habang market pa, and then wait for it to go back down, and then saka nyo naman ulit pasukin. Huwag nyo lang i-long term. Trade it and ride the trend. GB, good morning Sir Lloyd. Kumusta po kaya sina B-Core, TBGI, and RSC? What's your insights po? B-Core, let's check out B-Core. Time check, it's 8:38. B-Core. And Bureau of Corrections, maraming naipit po dito. This is a good sign for B-Core. Right, gap up, and then we have a stabilization right here. This is our entry point. If I could recommend B-Core, this is a good this can be a good price to test B-Core. I'd say yes. Test niyo po si B-Core. Maganda yung position ni B-Core ngayon. Yeah, test that support. Kaka-bounce lang ni B-Core. Use that recent bounce as your support. TBGI. Si TBGI, too aggressive for me. I can't recommend it yet. Abang lang tayo sa first future price action. Hopefully, it gives us a clearer signal. IRC, buy sa support if ever it gives us a confirmation of the support. Emily Gulciano, Wang Buntag, Sir Lloyd, and Lycan, Miss Apple. Good morning to you, Emily. Mark JP Gonzalez, good morning, sir. Congrats sa PSEi for entering bull territory. Definitely. Very good breakout yesterday for PSEi. Hopefully, nakapagbodega na po kayo. And it's time to go aggressive. Being aggressive means you don't have to wait for confirmations, especially yung mga breakouts, because most probably stocks are gonna do a breakout. And also, kung yung mga breakouts sa taas, you can, mas komportable na po akong i-recommend yan pag nag-breakout ang isang stock, because it's a bullish market. Most probably the breakouts are gonna sustain, especially sa blue chips. Okay? Yung mga breakouts na nakikita ninyo, most probably they're gonna be sustaining. The pullbacks and bounces are most probably gonna continue. So, mas maganda na po pumasok ngayon. Yung iba kasi tao, very conservative. Isang bounce pa lang, hindi pa nila pinapasok, hinihintay pa nila yung pangalawang bounce, pangalawang green for further confirmation. Dito, on a bullish market, you can go aggressive now. So, a single candlestick na green on the bounce, so sa support, pwede nyo pong gamitin yan para pasukin nyo po. Okay na po yan. Mas maganda na po ang takbo ng market. Ayun. I'd say yes, go aggressive. Now, Hopser, paano po index stocks na mababa pa? Ano pa po index stocks na mababa pa? GFC, nasa baba pa si GFC. Check it out. It's one of my recommendations for today. Nasa baba pa yan si GFC. That's good. Kahit hindi pa po breakout yan, bodegahin nyo na po yan. Baka mag-breakout na anytime soon since it's a bullish market. It's one of my recommendations for today. FB, right? Sorry. Hindi pala nakashare yung screen ko. GFC, kahit hindi pa na po nagbe-breakout yan, look at the volume starting to spike up again. I'd say bilhin nyo na po yan kahit hindi pa breakout yan. Most probably, it's gonna do a breakout since it's a bullish market. Okay, so GFC, isa yan. FB, right, isa sa mga blue chips, right, nasa baba pa si FB. And its overall trend, it's confirming the support right there. You can go aggressive on the support now. Kahit nasa taas pa po si FB overall, pwede pong pasukin yan. Okay, so yun po ang nasa recommendations ko ngayon. Sila BPI, wait lang tayo for pullbacks and MBT. Naiwan eh. EEI, insights po kay EEI. May resistance EEI. I can't recommend it there. But look at that. MA20 bounce, MA20 bounce. We just talked about that. If it touches the upper Bollinger Band, wait for the next MA20 bounce, and then that's your entry point again for EEI. Right? Mas maliit po ang risk natin dyan kaysa doon sa taas. Abang lang muna. Japs Janoski, Sir Lloyd, morning po. Insights po kay BPI. Thanks. Masyado na po mataas si BPI. I don't wanna recommend that anymore. Ilang araw ko kinakulit dyan. Mataas na po yan ngayon. Stay away from it. Let's wait for the pullback and bounce before we wanna enter BPI. Meg, sir, si Meg nag-breakout din, all-time high. Is this a 52-week high? 52-week high ba or all-time high? Yeah, I think all-time high si Meg. Pullback and bounce po. Pullback and a bounce at this area from its previous resistance. That's the best entry point for Meg. Masyadong mataas na po yan. Sir, kumusta po? pa-check naman po si FEN, SSI, and CHP. This is from AR Plata. FEN. Right, si FEN, ang ganda rin ng galaw eh. Though there's a resistance right here, so medyo nakakatakot na i-test si FEN. Medyo mataas na si FEN for me. There's a resistance right there. I guess a best entry for FEN would be a pullback and goes back near the main support. That will be you can use this as support, yung pullback and bounce niya before you wanna get in. Masyado mataas na po, malapit na tayo sa resistance. Not worth our risk to reward ratio anymore. Right, SSI. Uy, hindi ko nakamusta si SSI lately. Kamusta natin si SSI? Ayun, si SSI. Problem ko kay it's a mix of downtrend and uptrend. Problema ko dito, masyadong mataas na po si SSI. Kailan, nasaan tayo noong nirecommend ko si SSI? Dito pa lang sa baba, dito pa lang. Right? Medyo mataas na po si SSI. Don't wanna play with those anymore. Ang dami pong nasa baba. Yun po ang paglaruan natin. Bullenberg, good day, Coach. JP Gonzalez, somehow your message got retracted. Good morning. Uptrend na po ba si JFC? Thanks po. I can't say it's still on a sideways trend si JFC, though I'm recommending it for today because of the market because the market is bullish. Hindi pa po siya uptrend kasi wala pa tayong nakikitang higher highs. No higher highs yet. Sideways lang po ang highs natin. Highest point when I say highs. Alright? Highest points po natin is sideways. So it's not yet on an uptrend. It is forming a bullish pattern though. Right? This is a bullish pattern. We just have a level of bearishness at this area. So let's see if mag-breakout yan. We can say it's bullish already. It's on an uptrend. Pero ngayon, because of the resistance, I can't say it's really bullish yet. We need a confirmation, which is a breakout. But since it's a bullish market, most probably magba-breakout po yan. Bodegahin nyo na po yan si Jollibee. Kung bumaba man yan, you just buy more. Ganun lang kasimple yan. Richard New, good morning Sir Lloyd, good morning din. Emily Gulchana, Sir, recommendation stock mo sir sa international market. Ano kaya magandang stock na pasukin ngayon? Mukhang nagtaasan na karamihan. Yun yung problema ko sa international market, tataas na so far. Kaya hindi pa ako gumagalaw. Antay lang tayo ng pullback ulit sa international market. Ang hirap ngayon sa international market kasi nagliliparan na rin. Grabe sa international market, pag lumipad, hindi ka bibigyan ng pullback halos. Jolly Cars, Foot Locker Incorporated. Foot Locker. Let's check out Foot Locker. I haven't checked out the fundament. Ang daming international Foot Locker Incorporated sa New York Stock Exchange. Uy, ang ganda rin. First quarter, medyo mababa. Last quarter, medyo negative din. Most probably the earnings of Foot Locker is the one causing this downtrend. But right now, constricted Bollinger Bands, RSI starting to go up already. I'd say yes, this is starting to gain momentum already. Test nyo po ang support nito. Joel, this is from Joel, right? Right, this is a good, for technical analysis, this is very good support right here. Hopefully mag-sustain. If not, just cut loss below that. But RSI is telling us na mukhang aakyat na siya. So hopefully we are right. You can test this out already. Joey, Baba, Amazon, FB, thanks si Baba, Alibaba, Baba, NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, here it is. So Alibaba, MA20 bounce, dapat nung MA20 bounce dito natin pinasok. Hopefully, pwede pang pasukin ito. Price range. This is already 2.49% away from support. Medyo risky na ito. Hirap sabihin kay Baba. Best to wait for breakout na lang for this one right here si Baba since naiwan na tayo dyan. Not good to enter anymore. Amazon, kasi binigyan tayo ng binigyan ako ng mga buy signals nito kung noong nakapasok na ako sa ibang stocks ko kaya hindi ko na napasok. Amazon, AMZN from Nasdaq. Si Amazon nagre-resistance. Flag pattern here. Breakout will be a good entry for Amazon. We are playing at resistance. So breakout will be the best entry for Amazon for now. The highest it will be again in the coming days if ever mag-breakout man yan si Amazon. Abang lang ng breakout for Amazon. Looking good. FB, sa Facebook naman, yes, Still good for me si Facebook. Pumasok tayo nung nag-breakout si Facebook. I'm still holding my Facebook na what do you call this, na stock. We're up 1.87% for Facebook. So, pag nag 3% yan, I'm gonna be selling half of it. For now, wala pa. But our profit is getting higher and higher. So this is good. We are recovering already. I'm not really sure how much we are running at right now. Tingnan ko lang ang stats natin. We're up 1.23, right? Ang stats natin for July. So this is good growth for our portfolio. Hopefully we can close the month at around 3%. Okay na yung 3%. Pangbawi naman sa last 2 months natin na medyo pula. Right, Facebook, get in here this support as much as you can for Facebook. I cannot recommend Facebook anymore. Nakalipad na kasi yan. John Vincent Plato, hi sir. AMD po ba ay breakout strategy na? Thanks. Uy, hindi ko nakamusta si AMD ah. Right, let's check out AMD. Advanced Micro Devices. Right, breakout stat for AMD if it should break out. Right? Breakout stat po yan. Right, very good resistance right here. Pag nag-green yan today, pasukin nyo na po. Breakout strategy for AMD. Very good company. Highly recommended. Ang ganda na earnings din AMD. Uy, first quarter, it's up 63.83. Bakit nila pinulayan? This is up 28.08. That's kind of deceiving. This is up 7.10%, 798%. So, it's still, these are positive numbers. Kaso nga lang pula ang nakalagay. Right. Breakout strategy for AMD. Yes. Beatrix, sorry, Sir Lloyd. Good morning. Need help with copying you in eToro. It won't let me. I'm getting a copper trade notification. Beatrix, are you a member of our chat room already? Go to our chat room. This is the Daily Grind chat room. And then go to eToro Lounge. Right? eToro Lounge. If you're not yet a member of this, download Discord. And then, meron po diyang link sa video description na ito. Meron dyan Discord group. That's an invitation link. You click on it, you automatically get in. Makapasok po kayo kagad. So, once you get in eToro Lounge, punta kayo sa pinned messages. May makikita kayong pinned messages dyan. Cheat sheet for activating copy trading. Right? Makikita nyo po dyan. Or you can search for it. Cheat sheet. Right? And then, makikita nyo po yan. Just download it. Just follow the answers there. And, yan po. Makapasok po kayo. Ito na naman si Donald Trump. Not fond of cryptocurrencies. Kasi, kompetensya niya sa dollars nila. So, that's why Trump is not, what do you call this? Trump is not a fan of cryptocurrencies. Right, so that's how to fix your copy trading. Sa mga hindi pa po naka-join sa group na ito, join the chat room. Marami pong mga day traders dito. PSE, you can join this if you're trading PSE. And meron po tayong eToro Lounge dito kasi sa group natin, meron din mga eToro traders. And also, I want to advertise our group sa eToro traders, which is Team eToro Pilipinas. If you want to learn more about eToro's trading, right? We have what we call this. Let me open the Team eToro Pilipinas. Right, I want to invite you to join Team eToro Pilipinas on your Facebook. Please search for Team eToro Pilipinas and click on it. Ask to join. Dito po, meron po ang mga admins po natin are mga halimaw traders, mga scalpers po ito sa eToro. They can teach you if you want to learn further and further your skills in trading. Ito, nagsascalp ang mga ito. Profit, $682 from oil. Amazing. Kita nyo, let's be patient. 117% from Richard New. Amazing, 682%. $682 sa oil. Malulupit ang mga tao dito. So, they teach their strategy for free. Right? Join Team eToro Pilipinas. Tinuturuan po kayo. Meron po tayong Discord group dito. Once makapasok po kayo, we have a Discord group. They will teach you how they are doing this. And these are newbies. Richard New is a newbie. Nag-message sa akin, nagpasalamat for the skills. These are newbies who are already learning so much in eToro and trading and earning a lot in eToro. Guys, gawa na kayo ng eToro account, please. Kung gusto niyo talagang mag-trade at kumita sa trading. go to eToro, doon kayo mag-trade. Yung PSE nyo, investing nyo na lang po yan. Right? Why do I recommend trading in the international market instead? It's because the volume, the reason why it's really hard to trade in PSE, malaming pong failures because kulang po sa volume si PSE. Right? Kulang sa volume si PSE. We're giving you an opportunity, a better opportunity of being more successful in trading in the international market. Bakit sa international market maganda mag-trade? Because the volume is very good. $2 trillion a day. Imagine the money flowing there, and why don't we take advantage of that? This is the reason why, if makikita nyo po ang port natin sa international market, it always looks good. It's because mas madali po mag-trade sa international market. I am inviting you to trade in the international market through eToro's platform. Create an eToro account. Please use please use my link when you create an eToro account, because that helps the channel a lot. But aside from that, I want to help you earn. And these guys, may nakikita nyo po dito, aside from the admins, these people are earning well in eToro already. Kenneth Nanyes shared his first post. This is a newbie in eToro. Gain kaagad. Right, my first attempt to drill oil. Samantha Galera, a girl, first attempt. Right, naturuan siya. Maliitan lang, but gain is gain. Man, $10, $6 sa scalping niya. That's good. That's good trading for newbies. If you wanna learn how to scalp, join the team. Pero recommendation ko, if ever hindi nyo talaga kaya, position trade. We're also teaching position trades here. We also give out recommendations here. The admins here are more focused on the international market. So I invite you to join Team eToro Pilipinas. Sir, ano strat nyo pag nag-breakout? Say Meg or Ali, if you don't have those stocks at this time at breakout, anong nangyari sa kanila? Ano po best strat for them to buy when po ba? Wait for pullback. Pagkaka-breakout lang, let's say for example, let's pull out a stock. Right. Si Jollibee, pag nag-breakout, kaka-breakout lang, pasukin nyo na kaagad. Right? If it's a good company, it's a bullish market, be aggressive. Once it breaks out in the middle of the day, pasukin nyo na po kaagad. Okay? Pag nag-breakout yan, pasok kaagad kung kaka-breakout pa lang. Huwag nyo po antayin na umangat. Our goal here is to get the lowest risk as much as possible. And to have a very low risk position, let me just zoom in. To have a very low risk position, you have to get in near this resistance, diba? So once it breaks out, pasok ka agad. That's the strategy for pullback, especially on a bullish market where you can go aggressive. This is an aggressive entry. It's okay to do that here. Pag nag-break out, pasok ka agad. Then cut loss is negative 3% below that support. Okay? I was able to buy some blue chips with your recommendation to Bodega. Thanks for that. From Fe Avelino, you're welcome. Paano po maganda strategy to add up volume MBT, BPI, and SMPH? Good strategy for this is trailing stop loss. Trailing entries. Hindi pala stop loss kasi entries adding more yung sa'yo eh. Right? I have a lesson of this. One of the lesson I emphasize this on my seminar is pyramiding your way up. Basically, if it goes up, if it pulls back and then bounces, this is where you buy more. And then this is your new support. The moment you buy more, you move your support here. Right? The moment you buy more, move your support here, and then cut loss negative 3%. Negative 3. Ang hirap isulat. Negative 3% from that support. That is where you buy more. Wag yung habang umaakyat siya. Always wait for the pullback, then bounce, then move your support here. More of that lesson in my seminar. I think this lesson alone will eat around 30 minutes to 45 minutes of the seminar, because this is very important. Where to enter, how to handle your entries. I teach this in the seminar. If wala po kayo sa Davao, wala po kayo sa Rome this August 4, I have recordings of my previous seminars. You can go for that instead. It's on demand, so you can stream it anytime. You can review it anytime. Send me a message at Financial Freedom 101 so I can give you the details on how to gain access of my previous seminars. Okay, Fe Avelino, right, that's to answer your question. Always wait for the pullback, and then when you enter, make sure you move your support there. Hi Sir Lloyd, greetings from Singapore. Good morning po sa inyo. Insights for Meg po. Meg is already too high. If it gives you an opportunity to go back down to support and buy, then that's our entry point for Meg. Very bullish. Pwede pa po yan. Sales. Sir Lloyd, Meg holder here. Benta ko na ba? Wag muna. Always wait for a red bar before you wanna enter. Okay? I mean, before you wanna sell. Sean Lau, good morning. Zandy Dirk Dean Medina, Tech po Sir Lloyd. Tech, wait for the bounce. Did recommend that yesterday. We have a support right here, and then pag nag-bounce yan, that's a further confirmation for the support. So Tech, so abangan ng bounce if hindi pa rin nakapasok yesterday. Sir IDC, tutuloy na kaya? When can you sell? Average price is 5. Congratulations for entering at 5. Amazing, right? MA20 bounce right there. Amazing. MA20 is your friend. When maganda magbenta, if it goes, meron pa tayong momentum ngayon eh. Volume is good. Most probably aakyat pa ito ngayon. And how much is your gain already? From 5. This is 7% already, right? 8% to 10%. If you see a weakness, dapat ito kahapon, when you saw the weakness right here, nagsimula na siyang bumaba, dapat nakapagbenta ka na. From 8% to 10%, pwede ka magbenta ng kalahati. Sell half of it, and that's it. And then break even lang sa other half if ever bumalik mo talaga siya sa 5, which I don't think it will happen. But if it does, then i-break even mo lang yung kalahati. Sell half of the... Excuse me, dapat kahapon pa. But if it goes further higher today, and then you see a weakness, sell it. Sell half of it. Take your profit. Sayang yung position mo. That's already very good gains. Georgina C. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Sir, okay po ba si SMC? Bumaba kasi siya kahapon. Insights for DMC. Si SMC is a good company, right? Medyo nagka-sell off, but this is a support right here. This is one of the reasons why I recommended SMC here, because we have a strong support right here. I'd say still hold it. It's a good company. The bullish market might help the SMC's position anytime soon. For buying it sa mga hindi pa nakapasok, I will not recommend it yet, but a green will confirm the support even further. I'd say yes, that's a buy if ever mag-green. Sir Lloyd, buy na po ba si Tech? Antay ng green before you wanna enter. Bumaba kasi kahapon. Insights for DMC. Right, time check, it's 9 o'clock. Right, last ko lang muna si Georgina C. Before I go to my picks. Sa DMC, right, DMC, ganda ng support, bounce, marangkada rin kaagad. Ang problema ngayon, ang hirap na huli ng support. Breakout na lang for DMC. Should you really want to enter, dapat dito pa nung support was the best entry. Kasi wala tayong makitang green. Kaya medyo challenging yon. DMC, wait for the breakout. RRHI. Ito si RRHI. Hirap, ang hirap tansyahin ngayon. Right, but good pullback. If you see a green, that's a good entry for RHI. SCC for positioning po. SCC, ganda na pinapakita ni SMC. Maganda yung rally niya. It's a mix of downtrend and overall still an uptrend. I guess a breakout from this short downtrend will be the best entry kung gusto niyo pong pumasok kay SCC. Antayin niyo po mag-breakout. Pag nag-breakout yan from that downtrend, that will be a good signal for SCC should you want to position. Breakout lang. Hi Sir Lloyd, buy na po ba si Tech? Right. I'll go to my picks first, okay? First, we want to thank our sponsors, eToro. If you haven't created an eToro account yet, guys, sayang po, international market. Very good opportunity there. And aside from the opportunity because of the volume, the automated trading po. Bakit po tayo magtitiis sa PSEi na hindi naman natin mabantayan full-time? Doon na lang tayo sa may automatic stop loss, automatic take profits, even automatic entry. Kung gusto niyo po mag-breakout strategy, mag-pending order lang po kayo sa breakout niya. Para kung mag-breakout, automatically makakapasok po kayo. Right? Automatic trading, good opportunity with the volume. Bakit po natin titiisin mag-trade sa PSE? Just to stay invested in PSE, just like what I'm doing right now. Nasa blue chips lang po, and some of the companies I believe in yung pera ko sa PSE. And then, international market po ako nagte-trade ngayon. Right, join me, right? Join the Filipinos who are transitioning to a better opportunity. Create an eToro account. Please use my link if you create one. Also, to 230 Asia, 230asia.com. If you're looking for a good broker here in the Philippines, 230 Asia is one of the best right now. So check it out. Okay, I'll go to my picks. DMW, number 1 for today. DMW, one of my favorite companies. Maganda po ang DMW, especially the fundamentals. Maganda ng mga earnings nila. Sideways, we have a support bounce for DMW. That's a buy signal already. Pasukin niyo po si DMW habang nasa baba pa po yan. Wait, DMW, next for DMW is JFC. Yan, si JFC, kahit hindi po nag-breakout, I think it's gonna break out. Pangungunahan ko na po market since it's a bullish market. You can go aggressive. Buy JFC. If it goes further down, just buy more. Sa mga hindi pa nakapasok. Right? LR, support at this area. We have a good confirmation from that support. Pwede na pong pasukin si LR. Same with its counterpart, LRW. Support and bounce. Pwede na pong pasukin si LRW. FB. Si FB naman, right, we are bouncing at the support area. Pwede na pong pasukin si FB. HI. Right, ito si HI, House of Investments, is showing us very good movement. Look at the volume the past few days. MA20, nasa MA20 na po tayo. So that's enough consolidation. Let's test it out. If ever lumipad yan, then good. If ever mag-collapse, good pa rin because we have a very low risk position. That's why I'm recommending HI for today. Since it's very low risk. And lastly, si Annie for today, confirmation of the supports right here for Annie. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times na nag-support si Annie? That's a very solid support to test it out. We already have remnants of going up from that support. It might happen again. Pinakitaan tayo ng climb yesterday. Bumalik lang. Good thing, bumalik. So we can buy Annie already. Been recommending that for how many days? Tingnan po natin saan ito pupunta. Hopefully, pasukin niyo po yan. Strongly recommending it. Okay, so those are my picks for today. Before we continue, again, August 6 po sa Rome, Italy. Sa mga kapatid natin dyan, OFW sa Rome, Italy. We're not just gonna be talking about the stock market and trading. Nasa afternoon session po yun. Ang morning session is where I really wanna invite you guys. Financial literacy. Introduction to stock market. Kung hindi nyo po alam ang stock market, I'll make it as simple as I can para maintindihan po ninyo. If you have friends there in Rome, invite them to join the seminar, right? It's gonna be helpful for them kasi marami po tayong kapatid na FWs that are mishandling their funds, right? Mahal po ang being financially ignorant. Napakamahal po niyan at maghihirap po kayo buong buhay po ninyo if you don't handle your funds well. So, we'll be teaching you how to do that. Clarence Bautista, IDC po. We talked about IDC already. Mike 16, Sir Lloyd, thank you sa advice. How about CEI po? CEI. Right, very good consolidation for CEI. Actually, this is good price action already. Mukhang lilipad na to sa CEI eh. Yeah, use this as your uptrend line. Pag nag-green yan today, pasukin mo na si CEI. I think it's gonna nag-breakout na siya. Bumalik lang. Very bullish movement for CEI. Anytime soon, baka lumipad na yan. Test mo po. Use the MA20 as your support if you can. Okay? Becca Tangan, good morning Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay DNL, ISM, and IMI. DNL, nadaanan na natin to. Bodega lang po sana kay DNL. I've been telling you, bodegahin nyo sa baba. Medyo nasa resistance na po tayo ngayon. So, breakout na lang for DNL. Antay lang ng breakout for DNL. Sino pa ba? DNL, ISM. Si ISM, right, if we see a green for ISM, that's a confirmation of the support. Definitely a buy for traders. Okay? Short-term movements, if we see a green today, that's a buy already. Pasukin nyo na po yan. It's gonna be a very low-risk position for you guys. Why not? Diba? ISM and then IMI. Si IMI, nasa support pa rin. Let's wait for a green to further confirm the support. Pag nag-confirm yan ng support, definitely is a buy. We're already gaining momentum. Kaso nga lang, bumaba yung momentum niya. Nawala yung momentum kasi sobrang consolidated. Walang gaanong investors. Ayun yung problema. So, bumaba siya ulit. Still, overall, is a divergence. Pag nag-green yan, yeah, I'd say yes. Test buy. Pwede natin test buy. Manong Japs, Sir EW po. Si East-West kasi, medyo nakalipad na eh. Right? Itong challenging kay East West, I'm waiting for it to do a breakout before I wanna recommend it again. So, anong nangyari is it's just consolidating. Hopefully, it will meet us at MA20. But if ang ganda ng volume yesterday, kahit pula yan, that's very good volume for for EW. And then the gap up, that's a good signal. Baka mag-breakout to today. Wala palang breakout, kaya ayaw kong i-recommend. Pero if it does a breakout, I'd say yes. East-West on breakout. This is very good consolidation. Parang bumibuelo siya before it starts to go up again for East-West. So, kasi pag nag-breakout yan, we have a support. This is again the key to trading, minimizing our risk. So if that does a breakout, at least mag-cut loss tayo, negative 3%. Napakalit po ng risk natin dyan if ever we enter on a breakout. That's why I always say, yan, on a breakout, pwede nyo po pasukin. Okay, manong jab, si C naman, very good movement for C. This is a higher low for C. Challenging, very, very hard to say right now for C. We need further price action, especially for short-term traders, long-term traders. Sus, pasukin nyo po yan, third telco ang project niyan. Alan Cap, Tipon, Sir APX po. APX, time check it's 9:08. I think we will be able to answer all the queries for today. Again po, a little request from my end. Kindly po, share the video. Pakishare po ang video sa mga Facebook walls po ninyo. Para naman po mga kaibigan ninyo, ma-curious naman, ano ba ito pinapanood ng kaibigan ko? Wow, stock market, diba? And that should start their curiosity. They might ask you about it. That's our help for them. Also, please share this video to your trading groups. If you have any trading groups, other trading groups other than the Billionaires Club, please share the video there para po ang mga newbies, yung mga bagong pumasok lang sa stock market, they'll know that there's a program like that will help them in their stock market journey. Okay, so Mike 16, sorry na-send ko po message ko. I mean, okay po ba long-term si CEi? So far, so good. CEi, I can't recommend it for long-term. Siguro middle term lang as long as the trend, there is a trend. Can't really recommend it na i-handle nyo po long-term. Okay, 29, Milski, hi sir, insights niyo po kay M-Wide. M-Wide, very good company. It's just that, yung trend niya ngayon, medyo shaky pa. Kaka-break lang natin ng downtrend. But we are hirap po sabihin ngayon kung anong mangyayari kay MY with the current price action. What I can recommend is if ever it breaks out from this current resistance, short-term resistance, that will be our best entry point. Medyo challenging yung ginagalaw ni MY ngayon. Okay? So that's for MY. Antay lang ng breakout. Maganda na po yan, nasa baba. Alright, this is a good company. Dami pong project niyan dito sa Cebu. Japs Janoski, sure it's a good time to sell kay BPI. If you see a red, that's the best time to sell BPI. Sell half of it at least. Bekatangan, sir, ano po next resistance ni DNL? Ito yung current resistance niya ngayon. Dapat you learn how to plot it. Okay, that's why I don't really show you the resistance because I want you to learn to plot it yourself. Current resistance is 10.58. Yan po ang current resistance niya. Next resistance is this one right here, possible 11.33. Biggest resistance is around this area, 12. AMD, sir, US market. AMD, wait for the breakout. Pwede natin tingnan yan. AMD, wait for the breakout. We're playing at resistance levels right here. Pag nag-breakout yan, yes. Pag nag-green yan today, pasukin nyo na po sa AMD. Procter & Gamble po. Oy, very good company. PG. Procter & Gamble. NYSE. One of the best stocks out there, guys. Dapat nakapag-invest tayo dito noon pa. Bakit ngayon lang ako sa international market? All-time highs and ang all-time high. I cannot recommend that anymore. I want it to do a pullback before we wanna enter it. Kaka-breakout niya lang dito for short-term movement. Why not? Kung very short-term, okay pa naman ang RSI niya. Pwede pa itong umangat. Pero paangat. Ito yung mga SMPH, mga Ayala sa international market. Grabe. Procter & Gamble. Amazing. Wait for pullback for me. Maybe let it confirm this support right here. And yeah, at least I think pwede pa. Let's look at our price range. Oh, okay pa. Very low risk pa rin naman si Procter & Gamble. Okay. Pwede pa itong pasukin. Short-term breakout for Procter & Gamble. Kaso, ang problema nito, mabagal na itong gumalaw. So, maybe leverage this times 5 for your current money para mag times 5 naman ang gains mo should it still go up. But make sure you know how to handle your emotions kasi pag times 5 ang gains mo, times 5 din ang losses mo. Okay? Be ready for that. Very good company. Abangan nyo po yan. Lagay nyo po sa watchlist nyo. JRT, Serrano, 1,000. Boss, BPI, LR and ATN, MRSGI. Nadaanan na natin ang mga ito. BPI, wait for the pullback lang. LR is in my picks for today. ATN, wait lang ako ng green. MRSGI, let's check out MRSGI. Kaka-breakout lang ng MRSGI, diba? So yeah, wait for it to pull back and confirm that support right there before you want to enter. By the way, regarding sa reco mo last week regarding BPI, well, it was still going down dahil sa advice mo, nakabodega ako sa bottom. Congratulations, right? Enjoy your earnings. GRT Serrano. Jennifer Igoy, Sir Lloyd, okay po ba ang VLL ngayon? Ngayon po, it's not okay anymore. Masyadong mataas na po yan. Dapat noon pa. We've been recommending VLL dito sa support. Wait na lang tayo ng pullback and bounce before you wanna get in. Huwag po tayo mainggit sa mga lumipad na. Right? That's one of the things I really want you to understand in trading. Huwag po kung kailan lumilipad na. Unless momentum trader tayo, which is we are not. Right? Do not ride the momentum if hindi pa kayo marunong. Always wait for the pullback and bounce. Position trader po tayo. We should start with that. Okay? That's the proper development as a trader. IRC, thank you very much. You're welcome, JRT Serrano. IRC, antay tayo ng bounce ni IRC sa support niya to confirm the support. So far, wala pa. Vid Gore, Sir Lloyd, what are your inputs on AUB? It's AUB. Ito ba? AUB Group Limited or is it may AUB ba sa ano? PSE wala, di ba? Meron. Didn't know about this. Wala sa radar ko to eh. But yeah, consistently playing up there. One thing I can say is this is a very strong resistance. So, should you want to play with this stock, antay lang na breakout. Should you want to enter that. Ryuga, asan na ako? Ryuga Drago, LHC po please. Guys, masyado mataas na po si LHC. I cannot recommend this honestly, even though this is one of my long-term stocks. I don't want to hype it and recommend it there. Kasi po, we're already out of position. We're nearing resistances and it's already too high. It's been at the highest it has been for the past years, diba? Napakataas na po ni LHC ngayon. Cannot recommend it anymore. Hopefully, it does a pullback in the future. Pag na-pullback yan, kasi it's about time for me to take profits kay LHC. I'm just testing it out on the resistance. If ever mahirapan po yan, ibebenta ko kasi si LHC, mabebentahan ko lang po kayo. Ganun po. Really hard because it's already way up there. Should you really want to enter it, siguro breakout na lang. But it's already too high. Marami pong stocks na nasa baba. Doon lang. Good morning, sir. Madulas talaga si oil. Almost hit $61 kagabi. Then bigla bagsak, binawi lang lahat ng gains ko kahapon. Always sell half. If you are trading for the momentum, always sell half when you see weakness. Sayang naman, $61 din yun. Hindi $61, but yung gains mo, sayang naman. Diba? Leoven Deselos, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Holcim po. Let's check out Holcim. Alright, Holcim. Wait, Holcim is nearing MA20. MA20 bounce. Right? Pag nag-bounce yan sa ngayon, today, get in, Holcim. Junjun Catalan, always sell half. Okay, sayang naman yung gains. Holcim, Jappy B TV, good morning po, Sir Lloyd. Tugs and IRC. Tugs is maintaining the support. Let's see what will happen kay Tugs. Abang lang muna, we are at the divergence level, so this is good for Tugs. I'd say bodega na kay Tugs habang mura pa po yan. Very good company. IRC sa support. Mamaya ko nire-recommend sa Tugs if I see a solid green for Tugs, a further confirmation for it. Mark Jappy Gonzalez, is it advisable pa ba mag-antay ng lower resistance at the current bull market? Lower resistance? A lower resistance? What is a lower resistance? Breakout yung gusto kong if you say, let's just go to resistance since I don't know what you mean by lower resistance. Lower high siguro. breakouts. Best to wait for breakouts talaga. Even in the bull market, just so we have a good, just so if we have a good base at alam natin saan magka-cut loss. I'm just saying na okay lang na hindi pasukin yan like JFC. Recommending JFC kahit hindi pa po nag-breakout since JFC is for a long-term stock. Just enter it now. If ever it goes further down, just keep buying more. For these kinds of companies na maganda naman long-term, pasukin nyo na po yan. But for those stocks na for trading purposes lang talaga, I'd say breakout is the best entry point. Jing Manaog, good morning. Tel po ba? Thanks si Tel. Very challenging. We're receiving negative reports for Tel. Meron tayong mga articles na nagsasabi Tel is gonna lose a very big chunk of its gains because of the third telco, and I think it will, right? So though nag-bullish siya, siguro mag-bullish naman siya, but I don't see Tel going back up to its previous levels anymore. Highest it got was 3,600, amazing. But I don't think it's gonna reach those levels anymore because of the third telco, tapos meron bang fourth telco and fifth telco na susunod dyan. Patay tayo dyan kay Tel if you go for long term. Cannot recommend it though we have a support right here. Downtrend right here, best entry point is breakout for trading lang naman. Abner Especio, coach, been a while nakawatch ako ng live. Ang ganda ng market, pasilip naman si DNL, sayang if hindi nyo na bodega. Breakout lang for DNL. DMC, we talked about DMC. Breakout for DMC. RCI, yun na si RCI. Grabe ang divergence ni RCI. And there it is. There's the climb. I did recommend RCI here. Sadly, bumaba siya pa below support. And there it is. The much better divergence was here. And ayun, lumipad na si RCI. Broke MA20. Wait lang tayo ng pullback and bounce before we want to enter RCI. Green grass of hope. Ayan, si Green nag-up down yesterday. Nag-recover din naman kaagad. So, ang galing ng mga sumalo sa baba. Can't recommend it yet. Very volatile for now. Though the volume is very nice. Dami nagbentahan kay Green na. Dami nagpanic, no? Yeah, but anyways, it's still a loss. Sakit siguro lang puso ng mga nagbenta nito. So, a moment of silence for them. Anyways, Green, too volatile for me right now. It's really hard to read it. I don't want to gamble here. Really sorry for those who sold here and para lang umakyat to that level. Okay. Anyways, I don't want to recommend it. Too volatile, too unpredictable right now. I don't want to risk my money there. Okay. DMC and Green. Oliver de Guzman, Sir IDC po. Si IDC, we talked about this already. Wait for the pullback and bounce lang muna for IDC. Masyadong mataas na po yan. Morning po, Sir Lloyd. Pwede po ba pumasok kay CHP? Ito CHP, hindi pa natin na-review. CHP, maganda price action ng CHP eh. Maybe a breakout or maybe a pullback and bounce and make a support. That's our best entry points. Either a breakout or pullback and bounce for CHP. Kung mag-breakout yan, yes. Alright, sir, Netflix and WFC po. Thanks si Netflix. Inaabangan ko ang breakout ni Netflix eh. Hindi pa rin ako makapasok. So, nag-pullback siya. So, I was waiting for a breakout here Netflix. Hindi naman siya hindi siya nag-breakout. So, wala. So, Netflix went down because Disney is gonna go independent. So, naghiwalay na po si Netflix at Disney sa yung online movies nila. So, Disney, and ang natalo po dito si Netflix, si Disney, since it's gonna go on a, what they call this, gonna be independent, si Disney naman tumaas. Right? Netflix, masyado mataas, still very volatile, heavy pababa niya, so I don't want to recommend that. WFC, si Wells Fargo, still at MA20. May earnings na ba lumabas si Wells Fargo? Wala pa. July 16, so most probably lalabas yung earnings niya ngayon. This is gonna be dependent on the earnings today. Pag naglabas na magandang earnings si Wells Fargo, For sure, aakyat yan. Use MA20 as your support. So, abangan po natin ang news ni Wells Fargo after the earnings nila. John Elver Arroyo, good morning po. Thank you po sa pangungulit, Sir Lloyd. From John Elver. Right, hopefully, nakapasok kayo sa mga nasa baba. Alright, please check ABA po. Emerald, is this ABA for PSE or baka may alam akong AABA? ABA. Si ABA, yeah, use MA20 as your entry. Uptrend ba naman? Is this ABA here? Is this Altaba Incorporated? Good consolidation. Malapit po ang resistance dito. So, a breakout would be a good signal for ABA if you wanna enter it. Hopster, Wells Fargo po. Now, ilalabas yung earnings report niya before start of the market mamayang gabi. Yes, that is correct. So, if maganda yung mga earnings nila, if lalabas yung earnings at maganda, definitely get in kasi it's gonna start a new trend for that stock whenever earnings will go out. Abangan nyo po ang earnings mamayang gabi. Where do you check for the earnings? Dito po, investing.com. Lalabas po nila yan dyan. Go to, for example, ito, Wells Fargo, LDFC, Wells Fargo Company of NYSE. Click on that. And once you're in, mabagal. Alright, so once you're in, go to financials. Go for, financial summary. Makita nyo po dyan, paglabas na nila ng earnings nila. Makita nyo po dito. Right? Lalabas po nila dito pag lumabas. Pag positive yon and good numbers, that should make Wells Fargo stock go up. Pasukin nyo po. Okay? Mark Edison Pineda, good morning po. First time ko dito sa live. Ano po insights nyo kay ABS? Thanks. ABS medyo shaky pa rin. And we still have negative sentiments for ABS because of the unang-una yung license nila, the franchise. Number 2 is they're losing to digital media already. Unless they release their digital medium, mahihirapan po to si ABS. Okay? I cannot recommend ABS yet, though price action is showing us good movements. But medyo heavy si ABS. I don't want to recommend it. Especially right now, maraming ingay sa ABS. Wag po tayong pumasok sa stock na maraming ingay kasi it makes the stock very volatile. Mahirap po hulaan ang galaw niyan. Hops, Sir, well, go first. Mark, thank you for viewing. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy ka na. Welcome to the Daily Grind. This is the reason why I ask you guys to share the video para po ang mga newbies like Mark Edison will know that there's a program like this that can help them. Argel Mendoza, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Nag-aabang po ako, Sir Lloyd, ng bounce kay Netflix. Yes, definitely. We're waiting for the bounce also. Sir, blue chip companies to invest in for first time po. GFC, Jollibee. Ngayon si BDO masyado mataas na. Ilang beses ko rin kayo kinulit ni BDO dati. Nung bumaba pa ito, nasa 120, sabi ko sa mga tao sa Daily Grind, guys, 120 is already very cheap for BDO. Bilhin nyo na yan. Pag bumaba, just keep buying more. And then there it is, tumaas na tayo 154. Masyado na mataas siya ngayon. This is not the buy levels. These are sell levels. We're reaching sell levels already. So, don't get in BDO right now. Jollibee, si SM, okay pa. And Ayala Corp is still at the bottom. Si Ayala Corp hindi pa lumilipad. And though it's starting to go up already, but Ayala Corp overall is still at the bottom. Pwede po pasukin yan. SMPH showed very good earnings yesterday. So SMPH, malayo pa po malarating nito. I'd say yes, keep buying SMPH also. This is one of my list talaga. And I'm also invested in this. SMPH, pasukin niyo po yan. Sir, blue chips, yan. Jeff C, good morning, coach. It's 9:26 already. Sorry pala. Time check, guys. It's 9:26. Napasarap yung usapan natin. Hindi ko napansin yung oras. That's all the time we have for today. Pasensya na if hindi ko po sagot lahat. But join the chat room. Ang chat room po natin, marami pong nagtutulungan dyan. So you can ask the people there. And whenever I can, I also will answer you. Right. I'll see you again tomorrow. Congratulations sa mga nakapagbodega sa baba. I hope the bullish market continues. we can't predict the market, and one thing we should be concerned about, it's July, it's almost August, which is the ghost month. Baka hindi po mag-sustain muna, mag-plateau muna siya before it goes up again. So konting ingat pa rin. Do not get in the stocks that are up there. Dun po sa baba, yung mga nasa baba pa ang paglaruan natin. Let's get rich together. See you tomorrow. Bye everyone.